Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to extract an RAR file using Windows 10. RAR files are generally compressed archive files that by default are not supported by Windows 10. However, you can use a third-party compression software to extract the files and folders inside. There are several types of free software that will extract RAR files. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to use a program called 7-Zip. To do so, I'm going to open my web browser and do a search for 7-Zip. Once it's found it, I'm going to click on the download page. From here, there's a list of different 7-Zip files. Since I'm using a 64-bit version of Windows, I'm going to download the 64-bit Windows version. Once the program's been downloaded, I can open it and begin the extraction process. Here it's asking me where to set it up, and then click Install. Once you have 7-Zip installed, locate your RAR file that you wish to extract. If I right-click on my RAR file, I can see that I now have the option for 7-Zip. From here, I have a list of options where I can extract, open, I can add other files to an RAR file, but for this example, I'm going to say extract here. As you can see, 3 documents that I had in the RAR file are now located in this folder, and these files are now ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.